Good day. Today I want to show my build of the 3D printer from scratch. It is made mostly from wood, some rails which I had left over from my CNC building. Yes, obviously I had to buy some stepper motors, mainboard, display. Yes, I made some small parts as far. I made this printer not because I cannot afford to buy a printer, but because I wanted to build by myself, to learn how it works. The biggest challenge was for me to set up the firmware on the main board. I had to find out, learn how to use Marlin for that. Let's see how it moves. Let's go to the menu to move. Z. First I move Z axis up in 10mm increments. And I'm going to do homing now. I'm going to do Y-axis home, then X-axis home, Z-axis home. So you hear the clicks of my end switches. End switches are just simple mechanical switches. Can I now build better printer with parts printed on this machine?